Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're taking you on a hike here in Lech to the Formarinsee. It's a Alpine lake way up in the mountains here. There's still some snow on the mountains. I'll show you that in a minute. If you saw my last video, you know that this is our hotel while we're here in Lech, and we can hike directly from our hotel. We're gonna make our way to a bus first, otherwise it'd be way too long of a hike for us. We're gonna take a bus that takes you back into the area where this Alpine lake is. So like I said, that's our hotel, and make sure you check out that video. I'll put it in the description below. You have to see our room there, it's amazing. Here we are at the bus station. You just buy your ticket on the bus. Okay, our bus just pulled up. This is gonna take us back to the Formarinsee. We are buying an all-day ticket because we're gonna have to ride this more than once, and it costs 24 euros per person. I just missed it. There was cows on the road, little baby cows. Okay, choose. Alright guys, we made it. It was about a 15-20 minute ride. I think we have about a 20-30 minute walk till we get to the lake from here. Check this out, look how much snow there's here. This is like, I don't know, 4 feet tall. I think the lake is right up here. I see like a little valley. It looks like the lake might be down in there. Wow, it's beautiful. And off in the distance there is a hut. It's called a Hütte in German, and it's like a restaurant and a hotel. You could also spend the night in there.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
So instead of walking around the lake, like I said, we're a little pressed for time. We're gonna make our way back towards our hotel, and it's beautiful along the way there. There's like a river to follow along, and there's some waterfalls we saw. So we're gonna do that until we get tired, and then just catch the bus back to the hotel. This is where the bus left us off, and now we're gonna hike along the river back towards our hotel. Let's see how far we make it. I'm tracking it on my GPS watch. The weather is way warmer than we thought, so I'm gonna change out of my pants real quick. I have my hiking pants on that you can unzip the leg from, so I'm gonna turn them into shorts. Alright, I took the legs off of my pants. It's a little dorky but really practical because I was burning up, and we're just gonna throw them in the book bag and keep hiking. It's crazy when you're hiking at these high altitudes, you really notice how strong the sun is. I have sunscreen on, but I think I'm gonna have to reapply shortly already. I can really feel it cooking me. I brought a water bottle with me from home, and we're just gonna fill up with some fresh mountain spring water. This is the best tasting water, and it's ice cold. Alright, so we just started our trail. I think this is called the Lech Weg, right? Man, wie heißt das? Lech Weg. Yeah, this is called the Lech Weg, so the Lech Trail. And this will take you all the way back to the town of Lech. So, we'll see how far we make it. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you enjoy seeing Austria's beautiful nature for more videos like this. I always try to go on different hikes on the weekends and make new videos. So make sure to subscribe. It'll really help me out, and I would really appreciate it. And it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Ooh, we already have to walk over some snow. Good thing I have my waterproof boots on. Ooh, be careful, there's like holes. Ooh, this is slippery. Whoa. Parts of the trail are totally underwater from all the snow melt. This part looks really slippery. Come on. You snacking on some snow? Come on.
Schimmel hat Fersen gehabt. Ja, das wäre der andere Schuh genau.
Alright, I'm actually going to put the camera away so I can focus on getting down here. We just made our way down that snowbank. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is on camera, but it was a little sketchy. But we made it. And some awesome views. And now the trail is really wet and gross along here. There's running water everywhere. This is a great trail for the dogs because they have an unlimited drinking supply. We don't have to worry about them going thirsty. Wow, look at that. It's a fresh spring. There's a fresh spring right here. You can see the water coming out. Cool. So that water is coming out of the mountain. Kansas, that water is cold. She loves it. She loves cold water. Oh, oh, Kansas. So here's the water I could hear flowing. It's kind of cool how it steps down the whole way. Pretty good sized waterfall back there. We can't get to it though, we're on the wrong side of the lake. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's really pretty. Did I say lake?
Yeah.
I mean river. We're on the wrong side of the river.
I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days of wonder.
Got a little bit closer to the waterfall. On the action camera it's kind of hard to see, but man, that's a beautiful view. Oh look, it continues from the top up there all the way down. Okay, we're gonna cross over a little waterfall now. Over this little rickety bridge. Gonna stop here for a second, see if the puppies are thirsty. Kansas isn't thirsty, she wants to lay in it. Look at all the dirt coming off of you, girl. Huh? You having fun? Oh. There's a big waterfall right here. I think this must be the one I saw from the bus. Alright, it's lunchtime, so we are gonna find a little bench or a big rock and sit and have lunch. We brought some sandwiches with us from the grocery store. Alright, we just found the perfect rock to have lunch on. It's a big flat rock, like a table. Alright, here's my sandwich. I've got ham and cheese on like a multi-grain bread. It looks really delicious. I'm gonna sit here, have my lunch and enjoy this view, and then we'll continue hiking. Check out some of these huge boulders that have fallen from the top of that mountain there. Look at the size of this one. This part of the trail, there's a creek flowing right along it. You have to walk along. Look at this, you have to walk through the water. It's not deep though. It's very shallow. Here's another part of the trail that's really wet. Just snow melt flowing off the mountain up there. You can see a waterfall. It's really pretty. Wow, those waterfalls are awesome. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, and there's a third one back over there.
Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used
The bridge is a little wobbly. Oh wow. Wow, that waterfall is pretty big and it continues over here. So loud down there by the waterfall, as I was saying, but you probably couldn't hear me, that I'm glad we didn't do the loop around the lake. Even though it's beautiful up there, we wouldn't have had time to do this trail and we would have missed all the beautiful waterfalls and stuff. And I'm really enjoying this hike. If you guys are enjoying the hike, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the hike is. Alright, we're gonna head into the next part of our trail. This is an electric fence. There's gonna be cows on this trail. That's why they have this electric fence up and the little gate that we just went through. And so far we've hiked 4.5 kilometers and it's taken us about a little over 2 hours. That's with our lunch break. But you really can't go too fast because it's really uneven ground and big rocks. Hopefully this trail stays like this. This is nice. We've also crossed over a little bridge back there to the other side of the river. Now we're on the left side. Check out the water flowing over this moss.
Maybe we rose so fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I can remember dancing the laughter.
Alright, so we've made our way into a different landscape now. We're surrounded by pine trees and the river still, but I think we've come down from a higher elevation to where there's big trees now. It's also really pretty here. Oh my god, check this out. There's horses on the trail. A little baby. It's so cute. Hi, buddy. Hi.
The baby might be curious for the dog.
Hi. You're so cute. Hi.
Daddy, so cute.
He came right up to me.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Let's go say hi to this one. The brown one was really friendly. This is a nice spot to have a seat. Enjoy the water rushing by. They wrote with stones Lech, because this is the Lech Weg. There's a cool little section we just passed through and they just rebuilt this bridge. It's really nice. Another little waterfall with a nice bench to sit there and enjoy it. And I love these little walkways that they've built along so you can walk right along the river. It's really cool. Alright guys, so the bus is coming up right behind me and we're catching this one out of here. We hiked 8 kilometers and we are pretty tired, so we're gonna catch the bus the rest of the way. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content here in Austria. Auf Wiedersehen.